More breaking updates coming in. Sanjay Raut has now responded to Maharashtra BJP Chief Chandrakant Patil's comment that the meeting between Sanjay Raut and Devendra Fadnavis 3 days ago had political discussions. Sanjay Raut asks if it is a sin to discuss politics if two political leaders meet.
सर उन्होंने कहा कि दो बड़े दिग्गज अगर मिलते हैं महाराष्ट्र में तो राजनीतिक बात तो हुई होगी।
तो राजनीतिक बात करना क्या गुनाह है क्या? अगर दो राजकीय पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स मिलते हैं तो देश के बारे में चर्चा होती है, कृषि विधेयक के बारे में चर्चा होती है,
गठबंधन के बारे में नहीं होती,
जम्मू कश्मीर के बारे में चर्चा होती है, चाइना के बारे में चर्चा होती है, पाकिस्तान के बारे में चर्चा होती है, चर्चा तो होती है, कोविड के बारे में चर्चा होती है।
रामदास अठावले कह रहे हैं,
सुबह की बात कर रहे हैं,
रामदास अठावले कह रहे हैं कि शिवसेना और बीजेपी को साथ में आना चाहिए। ऐसा भी बोलो। ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
More breaking news coming in after making a strong statement that Sanjay Raut and Devendra Fadnavis met and had political discussions. The Maharashtra BJP chief has now offered a clarification on his statement.
मैंने कल ऐसा कहा कि देवेंद्र जी के पीछे, अच्छे अर्थ में पीछे, कई बार संजय राउत जी लगे थे कि सामना में आपने मुलाकात देनी चाहिए। तो सामना में मुलाकात देने के पहले हम एक बार बात करेंगे। जैसे मैं एक सामान्य आदमी भी मुलाकात देता हूँ तो बोलता हूँ कि कौन से प्रश्न देखेंगे, तो वो प्रश्न देखने के लिए उल्टा सुल्टा कुछ न हो इस चर्चा के लिए वो मिले। मैंने इतना कहा जब मिले तो थोड़ी सामना मुलाकात पर बात होती है, लेकिन उसमें से कोई राजकीय प्रस्ताव देना, राजकीय निष्पत्ति होना ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं, क्योंकि उसका हेतु ही वो नहीं था। इसलिए हम प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के रूप में साफ करना चाहते हैं कि शिवसेना के साथ सरकार बनाने का कोई प्रस्ताव नहीं, राष्ट्रवादी के साथ प्रस्ताव बनाने का कोई प्रस्ताव नहीं, कांग्रेस के साथ प्रस्ताव बनाने का कोई विषय ही नहीं आता।
Let me go across to our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh for further updates on this. Mayuresh, there were a lot of speculation doing the rounds when Sanjay Raut and Devendra Fadnavis met. While both the leaders individually have clarified that they were discussing the Samna interview, what also caused more speculation was the reaction that had come in from the Maharashtra BJP chief, who now has changed his stand. So there is still a lot of questions and speculation still doing the rounds around the Shiv Sena and Devendra Fadnavis meet.
Yes, and especially after the first reaction of Chandrakant Patil, who clearly said that when these two big top leaders of two individual party met, then certainly there has to be some discussion which must have taken place. And further, he said that the discussion was inconclusive. So this inconclusiveness basically gives a kind of a hint and ignites the debate basically that what exactly was the reason these political leaders met. Despite both Sanjay Raut and Devendra Fadnavis had clarified in the past, in a few days back, that they had met in Mumbai just to discuss the Samna interview, because Sanjay Raut want to conduct Devendra Fadnavis interview for Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samna regarding the Bihar election, and for that purpose they met. So certainly now Chandrakant Patil, we just heard that he has changed his stand and he is clearly saying that we haven't got any proposal from Shiv Sena or from NCP, and there is no discussion which happened regarding this, and we will not be going with Congress because they are our opposition. So it's kind of a complete U-turn which we can say that Chandrakant Patil had made. First, he was the only one who basically said that both the leaders must have discussed some political issues when they met for 2.5 hours or 3 hours. But now he's coming on camera and again saying that there was no political discussion, especially related to alliance happened.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.